I pride myself on being independent and having my autonomy, not needing anybody's help, doing things around the house for my son. Getting up in the morning and knowing I just go in and get my workout done, that's going to change my outlook throughout the whole day. So it's definitely helped with my mood and my self-confidence. I don't like to call it a disability. Whenever I hear people call me disabled or anything, I say, I'm not disabled, I'm able-bodied. Talking with my team at Arm Dynamics, it was really important for me to get back to a regular workout, getting back into the gym, basically. It was one of my earliest goals, I believe I set for myself, and I set with them.
Very nice.
And so this is what we came up with, which was my activity specific. Being able to put this on fairly easily and by myself was definitely a big plus. I've been wearing it for probably a little over a year. It's definitely a learning process. So we will store, sort, pack, ship onions. You'll do like risk assessments on fields. We're looking for livestock, we're looking at our neighbors' dogs getting in fields. So after I was at my company for 19 years, I was in a workplace accident and had my arm severed. I definitely had a period where I was kind of a little down on myself. When you're actually missing an arm, it just kind of comes to you that you're really overusing this arm when you don't have this extra help. I was able to get a prosthesis fairly quickly.
Wow.
And was able to slowly get back to work. Work was great. They were like, we'll take you back in any capacity. Your mind is worth more than any labor you could do. I'm looking at reports all day long coming in from the QC department and able to make decisions that way. I'll take any new quality control people and teach them how to check onions. I had to reshape my thinking into saying like, you're not a lesser person because you have one arm. You are useful in other ways. So I think that was one of the biggest things I had to learn by myself. When you don't have an arm there, looking down and being able to see a hand, it just makes you feel a little normal. The biggest thing with the myo was being able to get my independence back, really. From grocery shopping, being able to like hold the bag while you put something in there. It really is a big help just having it on. It definitely helps my posture as I'm walking or just standing. It helps me keep a good balance in my body. Being able to spend my days with him and you know, if he wants help changing his room around or if he wants to go learn how to play basketball, that I still have that capability to be able to do stuff like that with him has been what I'm most happy about. I feel like I'm kind of ahead of the game because I had such good care all around. And that's definitely something that I'm very grateful for. I don't know if I just got the jackpot with everyone that I've connected with on this journey, but I definitely I feel very cared for, and I feel in a really good place emotionally and physically.